Now we see the another concept, that is homogeneous equation of degree 2. Before learning directly homogeneous equation, we will learn some basic concepts. Degree of a term. What is meant by degree of a term? So the degree of term is the sum of all the indices of all variables in a term is called the degree of the term. That means what? See this example, x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. Here in this equation, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 terms are there. Out of all these 6 number of terms, one term is in both the variable x and y, and remaining 4 terms are in single variable, and the last term is a constant term. So see, in the first term we are observing the power of x 2. In the second term, what the definition said, that you should add all the indices. So the index value of x is 1 here, index value of y is 1 here, so 1 plus 1 will be 2. So see here, the degree of the term 2xy is 2. Similarly, we can say degree of y square is 2, degree of minus 2x is 1, minus 4y is 1, because index value of x is 1 here and index value of y is 1 here, and since in the constant term there is no any variable, but if we will try to put that variable, then that variable is present in the sense of x raised to 0 here. That means what is the power of x? So power of x is 0. So these are all called as degree of the term. Degree of 0 is not defined always. This we have put it additionally here. Why this is? Because for 0 polynomial p of x is equal to 0, always degree cannot be defined, and that is why we said here degree of 0 is not defined always. The second important definition is homogeneous equation. Now how to define homogeneous equation? An equation in which degree of every term is the same is called a homogeneous equation. Degree of every term should be same now. What we have observed earlier, in the degree of term, we have separately calculated degree of every one of the term. So if we will look toward this equation, then really we can say that this is not the homogeneous equation, because first 3 terms they are having the degree 2, while 4th and 5th they are having the degree 1 and 1, and the last term is having the degree 0. So this is not the perfect example of homogeneous equation. Now see some equations which are homogeneous equation. The first one is x square plus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. Here the degree of first term is 2, degree of 4xy, that means index value of x is 1, index value of y is 1, so 1 plus 1, that will be 2, that means degree of the second term is also 2, degree of y square, the third term, is also 2, that means this is the example of homogeneous equation. Similarly, x square minus 9y square is equal to 0, this equation have the degree 2, because overall all the term having degree 2. While in the third example, x square, 2xy, 5y square, these all 3 terms they are having the degree 2, 2 and 2, but the last term it is having the degree 1 only, and therefore it is not the homogeneous equation. So dear friends, I hope you will consider different variety of example to understand degree of term and homogeneous equation. If you practice the example to identify the degree of the term and homogeneous equation, I am very confident that you will be perfect in finding degree of term and homogeneous equation.